Food costing report. We have heard this term food costing a lot of times in our operations. And it is a very important term indeed because it tells you the food cost you incurred in preparing one particular dish. Now let us see how can we access this report and what are the importance of this report. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, you will find a heading by the name of report where food costing will be visible. As you can see here, I can apply filters by the menu item name and or with date range. Currently I am selecting the date range and clicking on search. There is also a shortcut for selecting the date range. Once you click on search, a list like so will appear, where the name of item will be mentioned, the selling quantity during this period, the add-ons sold along with the item for that period, the selling price during that period, the selling amount during that period, the purchase price and the purchase amount for that period, and in the end, the profit ratio for the same will be displayed. Now here you can see some of the numbers are in green color. Any numbers present in green color will have additional details listed under it. So when I click here, you can see the recipe for that item. Along with the recipe, the average purchase price of the raw materials will also be mentioned. So you know how is the food cost calculated for the same. Now as you can see here, my paneer lavabdar is sold 126 times and the selling price for the same is 178. The total amount comes to this, but my total purchase amount is only 7560 rupees, which gives me a profit ratio of 66.42. And when I click here, it also shows me this formula used for counting this profit ratio. Now this report is very necessary because you can analyze this report and apply different methodologies to find out which items should be promoted, which items should be reinvented, which items need more marketing for selling, which items need to be discarded from the menu, and all these decisions can be made with help of this report. Other than this, it helps you in menu engineering, menu planning, structuring your menu, and many more things. So this becomes one of the most important features of using inventory. This report will only be accurate if you use inventory to the best possible manner. In case the entries are not being done accurately, then there will be variance and inaccuracy in this report. Everything is in your hands. If you'd like to export this report, you can click here and click on export all, and an Excel file with all the details will be generated. It will contain all of the information and you can use this for different types of data visualization. So this was all about food costing report in Petpooja Invent. There is one thing to be noted here, that this report will be only generated for a particular outlet. In case you want to generate this for another outlet, you will have to go to your outlet section and select another outlet for the same. As different outlets operate on different costs and different selling prices, this report will be made individually for each of the outlet. So first go to the outlet and then go to the report section. Thank you.